Have you ever shelled out thousands for a cruise only to spend it hugging the toilet? If you're tired of letting waves win, I've got 8 battle-tested tips to beat seasickness and reclaim your adventure on the high seas. Hey there, cruise enthusiasts! Welcome back to the channel where we make every voyage epic. If you've ever felt that dreaded, queasy feeling on a boat, you're not alone. Up to 70% of people experience seasickness at some point. But guess what? It doesn't have to derail your plans. Today, we're diving into my top 8 tips for beating seasickness on any cruise. I'll count them down from 8 to 1, keeping it real and conversational, just like we're chatting over deck chairs. These aren't just random ideas, they're backed by science, sailor wisdom, and my own experiences from dozens of cruises. Let's set sail. Starting at number 8, choose the right cabin location. Location, 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 it's not just for real estate. On a cruise ship, the motion is strongest at the bow and stern, where the rocking is more pronounced. Opt for a midship cabin on a lower deck instead. Why? The center of the ship moves less, acting like the stable hub of a seesaw. I've tried this on rough Atlantic crossings, and it cut my nausea in half. Pro tip, book early to snag those prime spots, and if you're prone to motion sickness, splurge on a balcony for fresh air access without leaving your room. Moving to number 7, stay hydrated and eat smart. Dehydration amplifies seasickness, turning a mild wave into a full-blown storm in your gut. Sip water or ginger ale throughout the day, but avoid heavy, greasy meals that sit like lead. Go for light snacks like crackers, bananas, or green apples. These are easy on the stomach and help stabilize blood sugar. Ginger is a superstar here. It's a natural anti-nausea remedy. I always pack ginger chews or tea bags. Remember, an empty stomach is your enemy, but so is overeating. Balance is key to keeping those waves at bay. Number 6, use acupressure bands or patches. These little gadgets might look simple, but they're game changers. C-bands press on the Nei-Quan point on your wrist, which traditional Chinese medicine says calms nausea. Or try scopolamine patches behind your ear. They release medication slowly to prevent symptoms. I've worn bands on choppy Mediterranean sails, and they worked wonders without drowsy side effects like some pills. They're non-invasive, affordable, and available at any drugstore. Just apply them before you board, and you're good to go. At number 5, focus on the horizon. This one's free and super effective. Stare at a fixed point on the horizon to reset your inner ear's balance. Your brain gets confused when your eyes see stability inside the ship, but your body feels motion. By gazing outwards, you sync them up. Head to the deck, find a spot facing forward, and breathe deeply. I do this during rough patches, and it calms me in minutes. If you're inside, look out a window, or even watch the ocean on a live cam feed. It's like tricking your senses into thinking you're on solid ground. Number 4, get fresh air and stay active. Cabin fever plus stuffy air, recipe for disaster. Fresh ocean breeze oxygenates your blood and distracts from nausea. Take walks on the promenade deck or join outdoor yoga classes. Light movement helps, but avoid intense workouts. I once hid in my room during a stormy night and felt worse. Stepping out turned it around. Bonus, sunshine boosts vitamin D, which can improve mood and reduce symptoms. Just don't overdo it if you're really queasy. Start slow. Coming in at number 3, medicate wisely. Over-the-counter options like Dramamine or Bonine are lifesavers, but take them 30 to 60 minutes before sailing to build up in your system. For severe cases, chat with your doc about prescription meds like meclizine. I've used non-drowsy formulas on long voyages, and they let me enjoy buffets without regret. Natural alternatives? Peppermint oil or aromatherapy. Sniff it for quick relief. Always check for interactions, especially if you're on other meds, and pack extras in case of delays. Number 2, adjust your mindset and breathe. Seasickness is as much mental as physical. Anxiety ramps it up, so practice deep breathing. Inhale for 4 counts, hold for 4, exhale for 4. Visualization helps too. Imagine yourself steady on calm waters. I listen to soothing podcasts or meditate with apps like Calm during takeoff. It's empowering to know you can control your response. Pair this with positive affirmations. I'm strong. The sea is my friend. Sounds cheesy, but it works.
And finally, my #1 tip is prepare in advance with desensitization. Build tolerance before your cruise. Spend time on smaller boats, use motion simulators, or even swing on a park swing to train your inner ear. Apps like Seasickness Simulator exist, but real exposure is best. I started with harbor tours and graduated to full cruises. Now I'm rarely affected. Combine this with all the other tips for unbeatable defense. Prevention beats cure every time. Whew, that's our countdown. These tips have saved my cruises and could save yours too. Remember, everyone's body is different, so experiment safely. There you have it, folks, my top 8 tips to turn you into a seasickness conqueror and make your next cruise unforgettable for all the right reasons. From smart cabin choices to mindset hacks, you've got the tools to sail smoothly. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more travel hacks, and drop a comment below. What's your worst seasickness story? Share it so we can all learn. Safe travels, and I'll see you on the next adventure. Bon voyage!